Good morning and welcome to the vlog. I decided I'm going to do a couple vlogs since we are moving. I literally do not have time to sit down and film any kind of makeup video, but next week I'll be able to do that. Right now I'm drinking my energy drink because I am just so tired. I just did a Walmart delivery order. Do you guys ever do those? I'm obsessed. They drop it off at your doorstep. What could be better than that? I don't have to go to the store. I don't have to take my kids. It's perfect. We got some popcorn. My kids love these mini bags. Let's just be honest. I love the mini bags. And then I have been craving cucumbers. They are so delicious. I really like these ones. I think these are like the English cucumbers, and I just chop them up into like little slices per se. And then I put like a little bit of ranch seasoning, salt, and then if I feel like a little bit of spice, I have a spicy seasoning too. And then we got some nut thins as well. My kids love these. These are delicious crackers. And that's pretty much all I got because we're moving and we really want to go to Costco, but we're like, let's not go to Costco until after we've moved, so we're not moving a bunch of stuff that we just bought. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be packing. Hopefully I'll be able to run over to the townhome and give you guys like a little tour. We need to get ready. So let's go ahead and do that. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. There we go. I feel so much better now that my makeup is done. I've literally been using the same makeup that I brought with my Pack With Me trip that we took like a week ago. And so that's just what I've been using. And then I'll pretty much just pack up the rest of my makeup, take it to the new house, and then go from there. But I'll have everything linked down below if you're wondering exactly what I used. I've been using the L'Oreal Age Perfect foundation for 2 weeks now. And then I basically, when I travel, I like to bring some of the things that I don't usually gravitate toward so that I can really see how it performs and, you know, and use up the product. Because there's one thing I really like to use a product. It doesn't happen often, but it feels really good. All right, I'm kind of getting together a pile of what to pack in the car and bring to the townhome. I want to fill the car completely full. You know, the less trips, the better, right? So here I have, this is like my swim basket, not mine, my kids' swim basket with extra towels, their floaties. And then on top of it, I do my own nails at home, and so I'm just gonna bring this here. I don't need to use it for, I'm not gonna need it immediately in the future. Llama basket of stuffed animals for my kids. Then this, I just have like extra blankets and pillows like that.
Hashtag moving.
All right, we're here at the townhome. I worked out. We went and worked out. It was so nice. I'm telling you, I went a week without working out and my mind was struggling. Like, it's just a good release. Anyway, I won't get into it, but anyway, so we're here at the townhome. This is where we are going to be living while we wait for our house to be finished building. Could be 6 months, could be 8 months. I couldn't tell you. It's a custom home build, so we don't really know how long it could be. But we found this really cool place that we get to live in while we wait for it. So here's the kitchen. I love the kitchen because it has like this massive island. Where are you going? No, Scooter doesn't go upstairs. And then our couch is gonna go over there. We're gonna have a dining room table right here, TV right there. But this actually has quite a bit of cabinet space, which I'm really surprised about. So I already brought a bunch of stuff over, my mixer, and then, you know, we'll just have to kind of see where everything else ends up being. Oh, I'm kind of out of breath from walking up the stairs. Down there, there's like another powder bathroom. Then if you come upstairs, there's this cute little loft area. They have the laundry room over here, which is great. Kids are very happy playing with their toys. And then this is going to be where I film my makeup videos as well as a guest bedroom. So it's nice to have that extra bedroom. And then we have another bathroom over here. Then down here, I just brought this I got this from Pottery Barn, I don't know, a few months ago. And I was like, I don't want to put that in storage. I want to bring that with. And this is the primary bedroom. It's actually really big. It's going to fit our bed set and everything just fine, which is something I was worried about. Then if you come over here, this closet is more than enough room for us. I already brought some things over, some of my shoes, most of my shoes, some dresses, and things like that. Then over here, the primary bathroom, which we got 2 sinks, which is ideal. Shower, things like that. So I'm excited. The only thing that's not very fun is we have 2 dogs and there's no yard. So every time that I'm gonna take the dogs out, they're gonna have to go on a leash, and I'm going to have to go take them on a walk to a grass patch, which will totally be fine, but we've been spoiled. We've had a yard, a fully fenced yard for a few years now. So it'll be an adjustment, but it'll be just fine. Got home not too long ago, and I'm currently cooking some dinner. You know, oh my gosh, popcorn is stuck in my throat. You know when you don't plan dinners out, and so you literally don't know what to do? Well, that's me. So a couple potatoes, which I am just sauteing up. I'm gonna end up putting eggs in there. I'm gonna cook some bacon, and we're just gonna have like a nice little breakfast for dinner skillet. And then I have a couple avocados that I can just chop up and put on top of it, hot sauce, cheese, and I think it'll be really good. I'm trying to use up everything that's in my fridge. Well, trying to. It's hard. It's really hard. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I belong to you. I belong to you. This is one of my favorite seasonings. You can get it at Costco, and it's called the Buttery Steakhouse. Oh my gosh, it is so good. We put this on, we put it on steak. I put it on these potatoes. I put it on like everything. Asparagus. It is so, so good. It's definitely harder to get good lighting in this house. Sorry guys, I totally left you for, gosh, it's probably been over a week, and I wanted to vlog the whole moving experience. Honestly, it was just too hard. We've moved a lot over the last 5 years. I think we moved like 4 or 5, I don't know. We've moved a lot over the last 5 years, but for some reason, this move was the most stressful, and I think it's because it's a move we didn't necessarily want to make. The house we were renting, the owners have other plans for it. I don't know what they're gonna do. They might be selling it. I don't know, renting it out. But we had to be out by the end of this month. And so we literally were scrambling to find a place. We needed something month to month. And luckily we found something. So it was just hard having half the stuff, like going through all of our stuff, getting rid of so much stuff, figuring out what needed to go into storage, what could come to this new place, and the logistics of all of that. So it was very stressful, and that's why I haven't been filming YouTube videos. So I can finally start filming YouTube videos again, get my makeup back up and going. I'm so excited to dive into makeup again. It's the best. I absolutely love this YouTube channel, and I love all of you that watch. It really means so much, and we built like a really cool community, and I recognize your names in the comments, and it's so fun. So that is where I've been. That is what we have been doing. But thank you for being patient with me, and more content to come. But I hope you enjoyed this little mini vlog. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.